Hey guys, Temu's free gift games are everywhere. But can you actually win without spamming referrals? Yes, you can. Let's break down real, no referral methods to boost your chances step by step. So, Temu rewards users who log in daily. By consistently checking in, you unlock gift progress boosts, time-limited events, and bonus spins that don't require inviting friends. Skipping days resets your progress, so stay active. Now, you should explore games, browse product pages, and complete small in-application tasks. Temu's system favors active users by unlocking more free gifts events and higher chances to win. The more you use the app, the more free gift opportunities you will see. Now, focus on games like Fishland and Farmland where you can earn rewards by playing consistently rather than through initiatives. Some rounds allow you to earn points just by feeding, harvesting, or reaching activity milestones. No referrals required. Also, Temu often gives you free spins for opening the app or browsing categories. So save your spins for major events when the gift pool is better and chances increase. Avoid wasting spins when the gift meter is almost full for other players. Now, Temu drops random boosters that cut waiting times and double your progress on free gifts. These usually appear during special shopping events, so you should stay alert and grab them quickly. They often expire within minutes. So, the final verdict, you can definitely win free gifts on Temu without referrals if you consistently play the right games. Stay active and time your spins wisely. It's not instant, but with patience and smart strategies, it's doable. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.